Okay, I finally got a chance to reply to the comment that I told you guys I was going to. Yeah, further details on the global warming issue that I didn't mention in my first video. Many of you probably have cable, and some of you have the packages along with their basic cable, and even fewer still probably watch the Science Channel. Well, if you've ever watched the Science Channel, they have this show called Naked Science. And on more than one occasion, they do reruns. And one of the reruns is a show specifically about climate change. And one factor that they clearly point out, which I do believe plays a factor, they point out that the moon in its orbit is slowly drifting away from Earth, which is causing the Earth's rotation on its axis to shift. And any of you who've ever even thought of doing computer modeling would be able to determine that pretty soon the Earth's axis is going to be wobbling almost as bad. I think it's Venus that goes from vertical to 90 degrees. But yeah, that will cause severe planet shift as well. Not to mention the fact that Earth is in what's known as the biosphere of the Sun. It's not close enough to be too hot, it's not far enough to be too cold. It's right in that certain area where it's getting just enough sunlight to be warm, but not enough to overheat, and enough that it's not too cold. That biosphere is slowly moving away from us. Shut up. It's due to the fact that the sun's aging. If you go through, like I said, the Science Channel history archives, you'll notice that they talk about how Mars was previously in the biosphere, which is why they think life might have existed there once. They'll also explain to you that the biosphere will continually move away from Earth as the sun dies, until it eventually expands and engulfs the Earth. But by that time we're pretty much fucked anyway, because the seas will boil away and everything. But yeah, back to the original point. Earth's climate is not being affected by humans nearly as much as people think. Do the research, and you'll pretty much see that humans aren't doing shit.